Meaning of deep set.
Deep set.
Deep set.
Deep set.
Deep set. The term deep set refers to something that is deeply embedded or situated in a particular place or context. It can also describe physical features, particularly the eyes, when they are set further back in the skull than average. The term is often used to describe something that is difficult to change or remove due to its deeply entrenched nature. For example, a deep-set cultural belief may be difficult to shift. The term can also be used to describe a person who is reserved or introverted due to their deep-set personality traits.